not dry, not oily, not greasy, dewy. After trying it out, you might actually not even want to try any other sunscreen. The higher the percentage, the more level of protection you're going to get. Clock, clock it. I am Yusra Ali. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, hearing my voice, welcome to the channel. And for you, my love, that you are returning, welcome back. From the title of this video, you already know what this is about. This video is for you if you are struggling to find your sunscreen, or you just want to get into sunscreen, or you want to change your sunscreen. It's all about sunscreen. So I would be recommending and also sharing experiences with you, or sharing my experience with some of this sunscreen with you. What's so hard to talk today? So I don't waste your time too much, let's get right into the video. So before we get into the products, let's get into what a sunscreen is and what it does. A sunscreen primarily protects you from the UV ray and from sun damage to your skin. So for prevention of sunburn and premature aging, it decreases the risk of you having skin cancer. So it's not just skincare. Is skin protection, is a way to reduce the risk of you getting skin cancer. When you're buying a sunscreen, you hear about sunscreen percentages and you see like some plus signs. Percentage of a sunscreen refers to the level of protection that sunscreen is going to give you. Are we following? Now, ignore this this patch. I had to switch off the fan because I don't want any sound, and then I'm sweating on my head. But we have to do what we have to do. There are different percentages and different levels. So there's level 15, level 30, level 50, level 100. 100 being the highest level. So 100 is 99% protection. The higher the percentage, the more level of protection you're going to get. Clock. Clock it. Now let's get into the sunscreens. On my list is the Missha Essence sunscreen. See, this particular sunscreen, this was the first sunscreen I ever bought, that I ever used, and I really like it. It has a finish and it will look shiny after using it. Doesn't leave a white cast. It is SPF 45 PA plus plus plus. Two Missha sunscreens, or even more than two, but I'm referring to the pink one that has like a pink writing on it. And why I didn't or why I stopped using it just because of the size. I wanted something bigger. But if you're someone that you don't mind, you can try it. It's up there. Sorry. It is up there. It's one of those sunscreens that are high up there, right? Next is the Uncover Aloe Invisible Sunscreen. Uncover is one brand that if you are in Nigeria or even anywhere in the world, but in Nigeria specifically, and you like skincare, Uncover must have been in your face. It's their sunscreen, one of the best in the market, honestly. Sunscreen is formulated with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, not just protecting your skin, it's also adding hydration. So if you're someone with a dry skin or a sensitive skin, it has aloe in it to soothing your skin, and also has hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, plus the sunscreen standard formulation. It is SPF 50 and it provides UVA and UVB protection. So it's a broad spectrum sunscreen. You're good to go with this sunscreen. A very important thing with this sunscreen is that it doesn't leave a white cast. A decent size. It's a decent size. So that is one sunscreen you can add to your tryout list. And after trying it out, you might actually not even want to try any other sunscreen. So next sunscreen, I think I've spoken about it. I must have spoken about it here. If I've not spoken about it here, I must have shown it in some of my videos. It is the Skin Aqua sunscreen. That is my baby. This particular sunscreen is by a Japanese brand. So when you hear Asian skincare, they are there. So it's by a Japanese brand. This sunscreen is effective and it doesn't leave a white cast. So this particular Skin Aqua sunscreen comes in different range, but the one I'm referring to in this video is the Skin Aqua Super Moisture Gel. It comes in two different sizes too. Yes, it comes with two different sizes, or maybe three safe. It comes with different sizes and different prices, so you can try out anyone. One of the reasons why I like this is because I find that the size is decent, is perfect. This bottle size is perfect, and the price perfect too. And then the quality of the sunscreen, 10/10 for me. It leaves this just like the first sunscreen I mentioned. It leaves this dewy, um after using it, your face looks dewy, not dry, not oily, not greasy, dewy. It is SPF 50 PA plus plus plus. Help me count. Is it four? Yes, four. That one in particular. So I really really like it. Like I said, it comes in three. Yes, three sizes. I think I've tried three sizes. There's one that you open the cover. There's another one that's like a pump, and I think there's another one to in between. So that's the Skin Aqua Super Moisture Gel, the sunscreen, SPF 50. Lightweight. It's actually lightweight. So it is also a waterproof sunscreen. So when they say waterproof, not that you go and stay under the water for 2 hours or so and you say your sunscreen is waterproof. Make sunscreen claims to be water resistant. Tends to protect you after 40 minutes. Like if you are inside the water for like 40 minutes. But if it says maybe very water resistant, then it would protect you if you are inside water for about 70 to 80 minutes to protect you, and then you have to reapply your sunscreen. Now all of these sunscreens I have mentioned are very good for reapplication because of the texture. It doesn't break, it won't get messy and all that. Just make sure you apply it correctly, you allow it absorb. You don't apply it on a very wet skin or on a sweaty skin. Let the surface you're applying them on be clean, ready, smooth, dry. Next on the list is the Hatomugi Milky Gel Sunscreen. This particular sunscreen, right? I've heard very scary things about it. What is scary? I don't think there's anything scary. Okay, there is, apart from when your sunscreen is a white cast, if it stings your eye. This particular sunscreen has been said or popularly known to sting the eye. So, but I'm recommending it in this video because it's it is actually a good sunscreen. Like the protection is good, formulation is good. Now, I'm recommending it for your body. Not that you cannot use any of the ones I've mentioned earlier for your body, but because of their size, you might not enjoy it for your body. It is big enough for your body. Whereas those other ones, yes, you can use them on your body, but their size, it doesn't. So you can get this for your body. So there's no way that will sting your eyes. You can use it on your face if you can be very careful enough for it not to sting your eyes, but you would want to apply your sunscreen everywhere possible. So how are you going to manage it not stinging your eyes if you apply it on your face? So maybe you might as well just leave it for your body. So if you are looking for sunscreen for your body, the size, the price, everything, and it is effective. So that is why this is here. Moving on, sun sticks. I enjoy sunsticks a lot because they help with reapplication. It is easy to apply. Just bring them out and you're swiping after cleaning the surface. You're swiping on your face, swipe, and you're protected. I just like it. I like the way it excuses messiness of reapplication and it makes reapplication easy. That's why I enjoy it so much. So if you're someone that you are trying to get into reapplication of sunscreen, or yeah, you can try it even without get what am I saying? Try sunsticks. It will change your life. Name is long, so excuse me looking at my screen. Tokobo Cotton Soft Sunstick SPF 50 plus PA plus 4 plus. It was it for count it please. So it is a Korean skincare. It's by it's Asian skincare, so we love it. um this sunscreen, just like the name, it has this soft matte finish and it feels velvety. If there's anything called velvety, it feels velvety. That's what it feels like, and it applies really well. So if you're applying a sunstick, it is advised to apply 3 swipes on a particular area. So let's say I'm applying it here. So 1, 2, 3, right? Then I'll do that everywhere. I really, when using sunsticks, I tried this one. I used it. I enjoyed it. I loved it so much. I think Yes, I took it to NYC camp. It is so if you're also somebody that you're going to camp, probably like NYC camp or any camp at all, or hiking, you're a gym bro, gym girl. It is just easy. It is easy when your hands are messy and you don't want to put that on your face. You're not touching your sunscreen. You're just swiping. And I like that so much. I like that so much. And I like how portable it is this size. So that brings me to my next sunstick. B Lab Perfect Balance Matcha Air Fit Sunstick. This is my most recent sunscreen tryout, right? It is even it's in my opinion, yes, it is even smaller than the Tokobo sunscreen in size, and I really, 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 really like this size. It can fit into anything because it is small. My pocket, my purse, my bag, and it will not feel heavy. I already carry a lot of load, so I don't want to add to it with the weight, and it is really, really small. I don't have it close to me. I will have should it is small, so this is also very good for reapplication. It is. Did I say the um SPF percentage? Also a Korean skincare brand. So it is SPF 50 plus and PA plus. Count it, is it 4? So it shields against both UVA and UVB rays. So you are good. You are what? You are good. So this sunscreen too does not have a greasy texture. I Nobody wants to be feeling like fried donut or anything. Like it is soft. So in my opinion, it is even soothing to the skin when applying. I guess it has something to do with the ingredients in the formulation. Like I said, if you're someone that you're obsessed with tiny things and you also don't like to take carry a lot of things out and you want to still have your makeup and your sunscreen in your bag, this will fit in. It will fit in, and it is the perfect sunscreen for your application. So oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, any skin type, this is your guy. This is actually your guy. So we have come to the end of these sunscreen recommendations. Which of these sunscreens have you tried out? Which one are you going to try out after watching this video? They are all good sunscreens. It is just that you have to just look at what you need and what you're looking for. So if it's that you don't mind a sunscreen being small, as far as your skin likes it, you don't mind the size, you can go for the one I mentioned at first. That's the Missha Essence SPF 45 sunscreen. And if you are someone that okay, you like your sunscreen to last you a certain amount of time, and then they're also effective, they're good for your oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, and you don't mind looking dewy after using it, you go for Skin Aqua Super Moisture Sunscreen. I think is that the name? The name is long. That's one from the Japanese brand. If you're looking for something for your body alone, a sunscreen for your body alone, the Hatomugi sunscreen is your guy. That yes, it is said to sting your eye. It's most likely sting your eye. That's why I'm recommending it for just your body. Then sun sticks, you try the Tokobo Sunstick or the B Lab sun stick, and then the Uncover sunscreen too. Something you can try out if you want. Okay, you're very passionate about African brand. You want a sunscreen that is black girl friendly, and also it is effective. No white cast, no funny business, no breakouts, nothing. Then you go for the Uncover sunscreen. So we have come to the end of the video. Please use the sunscreen today, not just for skincare purposes, but also because we are fighting cancer, or we are fighting the risk of getting cancer. Can you imagine? They just took out the lights. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.